What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue, and today's video is gonna be a live trade video. If y'all like these type of videos, make sure y'all leave a comment down there. Let me know that y'all like the videos, and let me know the trades that y'all took for today. Anyways, let's get into this video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So we getting ready to open in about 15 seconds, and we want to see what we can get out the gate. If we can get some kind of pop or a wash. I'm looking at this area up here to go short, maybe. So what did it open at? Let me see. It opened at 33.40. So 37 maybe. It pushed down kind of hard, but it didn't reach us down here anyways. I'm gonna put an order right here on the support. And I said it opened at what? 33.40, 41. So 46 is where I'm going to see to get my a short if it get up here. That's going to give it some ways to get up. So no, that might be a little 41. So no, I want to do it at 44 instead.
Order filled.
Oh, okay. So 37. Sell it at 43 maybe if it get up here for a quick 30 bucks. If not, then we gonna buy more at 34 and another one at maybe 31 if we don't get it. Yeah, that's whichever way I want to go, we gonna see. So bought it off this support. It hit here a couple times overnight or earlier. So if we get an ad, we'll take it off at 39 maybe if we get up there. Let me see, what's this? 333075. I'm just putting some orders out. So stop out of one of my contracts. If it decide to go against me too much. So that was that one. I got one at 333075. Stop limit. Sell if it get down here. That ain't what I want. I don't want 4. It's 1. 333075. Make sure you check that. Just be careful. We might get that bounce to push up to take us out up here. But for right now, I got some orders sitting just in case they want to keep falling against me. Don't know what it's going to do yet. I seem to be holding this area right here. This resistance right here, 41, 33.41. But if it can break out and get up past it, still got to get past the 20 MA. But we got more of a chance for it to get up there, breaking out of here, because it's a little bit more area up here that I could wait, but we shall see. I'm going to pause it, see what we get, if it come close to one of them.
Order filled.
Okay, we just got filled, so that's that trade. So we'll see what we can get, if we can get another setup, and I'll just have an order out there if we do. Anyways, we'll be back at this in a minute. So my order got filled. I missed getting it on record, but I'm going to take it off at 38 if it get up here. And I'll just leave that on, but I got order up under it just in case it want to come down to here too. So we'll see what it's going to do. It looked like it's going to keep going down though, so probably get that filled. Let me see, put that up over, change this. Put it up over, let me see, 32, 33, if it fills me. That's the plan, so we'll see which way we gonna get. And whatever it decide to do, I'm just gonna come back and start recording again. Hopefully I'll catch it on record, but maybe we will get filled up at 38. Maybe we won't. If we don't, then either way, I'm going to get it recording again when it decides. All right.
Order filled.
So we just got filled on the second order. I'm going to put it up at 34. Oh, it's definitely spilling out right now. So one of my contracts might get stopped out down here. If it keep going, and then I have to add what else I want it to do. Take this one off, but it's got to bounce back up here to where it was just consolidating at in order for me to take it off. That was actually the low of the day, overnight and everything, that it just broke. So we shall see what it's going to do now. Where was the last one? $32. So it looking like it's ready to break down some more. So let me get some more orders out. I got my sale in already, so I can change this. My next one would be 23 to buy one. And I'm going to put 3322.75. And put a stop out just in case. How many is that? 2 or 1? So I got those out there just in case, but I'm gonna pause it till we see what if it's gonna give me the profit or it's gonna keep falling. Look like we're gonna get this bounce.
Order filled.
All right, we got the fill on it, so it got me out of that. So we're gonna see if we can get one more trade in before I stop. I usually stop around 11, but I can go a little bit over, but I'm going to see if I can catch another trade, maybe if it's set up. Otherwise, and we are up $55 on the day. I didn't mention that. If y'all like the content, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment, and let me know how y'all did today. And we'll be back at this tomorrow if I don't get to catch another trade. Deuces.